most of the ways that you can optimize the result of your sales calls come from what you do before the actual calls. There's a lot of ways that you can improve it, but on this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step on the same process that we use to get awesome show rates so you can implement the same thing and copy our structure. And why are we giving away all of this? Because we have absolutely no problem in giving away a piece of the puzzle so people can implement them the same way. And at the same time, we attract higher quality people and actual A players that we also want to work with in our business. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we dive into it, let me give you a rundown of the importance of this. Especially if you run cold ads, the difference of taking to a cold lead to a warm lead, it's a pre-call page. It's what happens in between the lead booking a call to actually having the call. Here we can see an example, but the main reason that this works and why it's so powerful is because it allows you to have higher show rate, higher close rate, shorter calls. Business becomes more predictable without changing anything on the offer and without changing the closing process. So just to have a bit of the numbers on how much you're missing out on this. Let's say average KPI of not a super good offer might be a show rate of 55% and a close rate of 20%. Let's do the example of a 5K ticket price and a 60% upfront cash collected on the call. So let's say that we have 100 calls booked on the calendar. 55% rate, that's 55 live calls. On a 60% offer rate, 33 offers, 20% close rate, that means 6.6 closed. That's a total of not even $20,000 cash collected out of 100 calls. Compared to actually having the right numbers that you will implement after watching this video. Let's say that you have right now a 75% show rate and 30% close rate because the people are more nurtured when they come to the call. Same price, same upfront cash collected. 100 live calls, now you take 75. You also increase the offer rate because the people are more qualified and with higher intent. And you also close at a higher rate. Now you're at 54,000 cash collected. That's almost a 200% increase by just fixing mainly the show rate and what people consume before your meeting. So I have here an example of what most offers actually look like. And then I'll walk you through a bit of the structure that we use so you can implement the same thing. So on the same numbers that we talked about, the pre-call page usually looks like this. Hey, step one, watch this video to confirm the meeting. Video on like, hey, please show up to this meeting. Otherwise, we're going to be really sad about it. And then you get testimonials and social proof, a couple of them. What happens here? People book, they watch this page, like they scroll a bit, they take a look at it, not really go in depth. And essentially, obviously, you also run automated reminders, 24, 12, and 1 hour before the meeting. And then the day of the confirmation call as well, the rep or the closer, the SDR calls the person like, hey, are you actually going to show up or not? If they even pick up though. And then you're a 50% chance of the lead actually showing up. And if they do, they show up way colder. So these are the consequences of having a not optimized pre-call page. Let's go into the other scenario though, that we actually know what we do and you actually optimize it for this. So main steps. Step number one, watch this video. It's really important as well to have a video, but you can talk about two different things on this video, depending on the offer and depending on the niche that you're in, if it's B2C or B2B. You either run on an urgency video or a due diligence video and helping people investigate you and learn more about you. But essentially, you also want to make sure people confirm and they know how to add this to their calendar. So this way, every single day, they will see that they have the meeting on their calendar. Then you also want to go into step number 2 and give them an offer breakdown so they understand how you work and you solve most of the questions as well. Then you want to move into the most frequent questions. Essentially for this, just go to Claude, paste sales calls of the whole last month and get the main objections and the main questions that people have and create small videos breaking down and handling each one of them. So when people join to the call, all of this is already pre-handled. And then obviously you want to move into endless testimonials and social proof, not just couple, endless. Then it's when the sales team also best practices come in. SDR should always be calling within the first 5 minutes to confirm the meeting, triage them, qualify them, pre-nurture them extra before the meeting, and having a better understanding about their situation and actually having the first human touch, which makes it then more likely to show up to the meeting. Then you want to be running 2 things. First thing you want to be running at the same time, automated reminders as well, SMS and email, 24, 12, and 1 hour out of the call. And then obviously you also want to do manual confirmations, either from the SDR, the closer itself, or a DM setter, depending on the team structure. Then you want to move as well into email marketing. It's not just about the reminders, it's also about the email marketing. So depending on when they book the meeting, you want to send them 6 to 12 emails before the call with testimonials, frequent questions, pre-handling objections, and more value-dense emails. So when they come to the meeting, the intent is higher to just buy from you. And then you want to move as well to retargeting ads with the same structure, testimonials, frequent questions, pre-handling objections as well. So then people keep watching you constantly on social media before jumping into the meeting. Then obviously the lead shows up to the call at a way higher rate, higher intent, and then you make way more money. And here I have a perfect example of Brooke running an e-com program, which has the same structure. Hey, you've made it so far. Important next steps. What's the video? What to expect from here? The sales team will reach out to you. How to confirm the meeting on your calendar. Hey, what do we do? What's our offer? What do we promise? Get all of your questions answered before your meeting as well. And then blasting testimonials, so they provide you with a social proof that what they do actually works. I know it might sound too good to be true or even too simple to be true. I promise you, if you try this, it will be a game changer and you will definitely see the improvements on this. At the same time, if you want help scaling your offer in specific and obviously giving you this system and all the systems that we run within our business, you have the link below. Schedule a call with us. We'll talk. We'll see how we can help you and how we can implement the same system to you. And for the rest, I hope this video was really valuable and I'll see you in the next one.